Today, I am bringing you the ultimate holiday dance workout. Whether you are pressed for time this holiday season or just feeling a little tense with all the busyness of the holiday, or if you are feeling a little sluggish after your holiday meals, this ultimate holiday dance workout is for you. It is only a 5-minute dance workout. No dance skills are required, no equipment. So just come on along and dance with me, move to the music. And you don't even have to do the moves that I am doing. I am just inviting you to dance with me. By the time you are done with this dance workout, I promise you, you will be smiling all day. This is the kind of workout you want to keep coming back to again and again and again. And the best part is quick. It's very easy to squeeze in the middle of all the holiday stuff. So come on along and let's dance together. hope you enjoyed this dance workout as much as I did. If you enjoyed this dance workout, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And also, please share this video with another mom and expecting mom. Let's share the joy of the holiday season. Let's move, let's dance together. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube page yet, please hit the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification. That way you can be notified for when a new video is released. Thank you so much for dancing with me today. My name is Sarnia Inspires. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.